This week, the world got louder. A coordinated cyber attack jammed European airport check-in systems. An Israeli drone strike in southern Lebanon killed 3 American children and their father. And a self-replicating supply chain worm tore through then-PM ecosystem. This is Risk Signal. Let's break it down. First up, European airports. From September 19th through 21st, a cyber attack hit Collins Aerospace's Air Inc. Muse passenger processing platform. That's the backbone system for check-in and boarding at multiple airports: Heathrow, Berlin, Brussels, and Dublin. The attack forced airlines into manual processing. Brussels canceled 50 flights on Sunday and cut Monday's schedule in half. Heathrow and Berlin were improving by Sunday, but still battling backlogs. Why it matters: one vendor compromise cascaded into a continent-wide disruption. Classic platform risk in critical infrastructure. Regulators in the UK's National Cybersecurity Centre are investigating, with no attribution yet. The takeaway: if your operations depend on a shared SaaS backbone, you need offline modes and vendor failover pre-planned. Treat these systems as safety critical, not just IT. Next up, Lebanon strike. On September 21st, an Israeli drone strike in southern Lebanon killed 5 people, including 3 US citizen children and their father, and wounded 2 others. The IDF says it was targeting a Hezbollah militant operating inside a civilian area. Civilian casualties are under review. Why it matters: the incident puts Washington directly in the diplomatic crosshairs and strains a fragile ceasefire line on the Israel-Lebanon border. It raises the risk of miscalculation and spillover conflict. The takeaway: elevate travel, facility, and personnel risk postures in southern Lebanon and northern Israel. Expect tit-for-tat escalation and localized protests after high-profile civilian deaths. Last but not least on this week's breakdown: Shai-Hulud worm. Between September 16th and 20th, a self-propagating campaign dubbed Shai-Hulud compromised more than 180 NPM packages. The worm stole GitHub and NPM tokens, SSH keys, API credentials, even cloud access, and then spread further by abusing maintainer rights. Why it matters: supply chain attacks are no longer one-offs. This worm model weaponizes developer ecosystems, creating high-leverage opportunities for cloud and CI/CD compromise. The takeaway: assume token leakage. Force rotate GitHub and NPM tokens, cycle SSH and API keys, reinstall affected packages, and add secret scanning plus signing checks into your pipelines. 3 threads connect these events: dependency risk, civilian risk, and automation risk. A single SaaS outage can paralyze aviation across borders. A single strike can unravel a ceasefire. And a single poisoned package can spider through your entire build chain. So the question is, are you tracking this or reacting to it? Like, share, and subscribe for more frontline risk intelligence.